How to set up welcome emails for your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you all these steps that you need to start setting up your welcome emails for your Shopify store. Basically, whenever someone actually joins, they will get an email automatically sent out to them welcoming them. It could be with a discount, it could be without a discount. It's going to be completely up to you how you want to manage it. Now, I'm going to show you two different ways that we can actually do it, and we can just go ahead and get started with it right now. So the first way to go about it is we basically use Shopify itself, and we're not going to go for any third-party application. Now, this could be very good for us, but also there are more advanced ways to go about it. But anyways, to do the first method, we would want to go to the marketing section on the Shopify admin page, click on marketing, and then we have two different things here. We have campaigns and we have automations. And automation is basically where things are going to be automated for you. Is going to have a trigger, and when that trigger happens, then an automated action is going to also occur. In this case, sending out an email with a welcome email. Okay, so we can just go to automations here, and then from here we can just basically click on view templates. Now, unfortunately, I cannot really create it in front of you and show you how it's going to be done, because I will be using this account just for the testing purposes here. But I will show you exactly what you need to do. So just go ahead and look for the three different welcome emails that you can set up. This one, that one, and also this one. So the first one, which is a welcome new subscriber, is going to be the most basic one, which is going to be sending out emails to new subscribers, an email with a discount welcoming them to your store. And then we have the other one, welcome email series, discount with reminder. This is going to be also including more stuff. So send new subscribers an email with a discount, followed by 2 brand building emails. And then if there's no purchase, then they will send a discount reminder. And also, I just need to note one more thing. After you set this up, nothing should be done from your part except, everything's going to be automatic and be done for you. So this is the good thing about it. And then here we have the last one, which is welcome email series, brand story with discount, which is going to share your brand story and social links and 3 different emails. And then if there's no purchase made, then they will send the discount as always. So this is going to obviously entice people to go back to your store with the discount and actually purchase one of your items. So you can just click on any 3 of them and set them up. To set them up, you can just basically click on them, and then from there you can either edit a few things within the workflows, or you can just go ahead and save it as it is, and it's going to be working for you. Okay, and you can always just view them from this section here, and you can see all the automations that are working for you. So this is going to be a method number 1, which is going to be built in from Shopify. Now, if you want to do a different way, then we can just go to the apps section here, and we can just go to Shopify App Store, and we would want to search for email. And here we can see we have MailChimp, we have Klaviyo, and so on. There is going to be plenty of email marketing apps that we can use. Now, I need to note, Shopify email here is not going to be any different from the marketing automations one that we talked about. This is going to be through Shopify email. So if you want to install it, you can install it for different reasons, but it's not going to be any different. But we can use other different platforms like MailChimp or Klaviyo to start sending out automations with welcome emails. Klaviyo is a good choice. MailChimp is a good choice. You would obviously want to see the plans that they offer and whether it's going to be free or not, and so on. But for the time being, I'm just going to be using MailChimp as an example. So I'm just going to click on MailChimp, and you would want to obviously install it and connect it with your Shopify account. So you should go ahead, create your MailChimp, Klaviyo account, whatever it may be, and connect it from here. So just install the application, and then it's going to be prompting you to log in to your MailChimp account in order to actually connect both of them and be able to sync them accordingly. And after you log in, you will be able to see this here, which is sync now. Just click on that. And now whatever you actually create from MailChimp, well, after this is done, whatever you create from MailChimp itself with this specific account is going to be synced with your Shopify store. And you can see here all these stats that you need in your MailChimp account. So just go ahead and continue to MailChimp. And then from here, you would need to log into your MailChimp account. And once you do that, you should find yourself with this section here. Now, what we can do is just go to the automations tab again, and again, just click on it. And then from here, we can just go ahead and build from scratch, or we can actually go ahead and choose a pre-built journey, which is going to be templates that we can choose from, which I highly recommend for you to do. Let me just remove this one just so we don't really create another one. So if you click on choose pre-built journey, which I highly recommend if you're just starting out with automations regardless, we can just go ahead and do so. So we can see we have welcome new contacts, we have welcome contacts who subscribed via your pop-up form, which is not really going to work well here. Or maybe it could actually if you know exactly what you are doing, but we can just set up this regular one, which is welcome new contacts. So we can just click on that. And then we can just go ahead. So you can see here, you will need a paid MailChimp plan. So obviously you would, again, do your research when it comes to choosing the proper app for you and the plans and so on. But if you have all of that, we can just click on use this journey and click on continue. And now we can actually go ahead and edit the journey a little bit. So we have the contact signs up to, yourself and all of those things, your form, whatever it may be. And then the email is going to be created, which is a welcome email. Obviously, you want to click on that and edit a few things here. You would want to edit the subject, the schedule, and all of those things. And you would want to go ahead and create it from a template. So after you go ahead to your template section, you can just go ahead to any template that you actually like, click on apply to it. And obviously you would want to edit things out accordingly. So you can just go ahead and change the design of this, add your logo. So for example, we can just go for this one. It's not really my logo, but we can just use it as an example. And we can just edit whatever we want here. So this is going to be the email that is sent out to them. So make sure it's a welcome email. So make sure to welcome them and add whatever you want to add in there. And once you're happy with this, you can just save and return to journey. And you can just go ahead and make sure you publish it on the top right. Now I would need to upgrade to do so, but if you have already done that, you can just simply do so. And the same thing works with the other apps that I talked about, like Klaviyo and so on. Any email marketing app that you can find and you are working with is going to work properly with Shopify this way. And obviously you have your sync turned on, so whatever you create from MailChimp, Klaviyo, whatever it may be, is going to be reflected with your Shopify store. With that being said, this is pretty much how to create welcome emails for your Shopify. Again, there's a native way to do so from within the marketing tab in automations, where you'll be able to just create it from here. Or if you want to use a third-party application, you can just go to the apps, and I showed you just one instance on how to create it from MailChimp. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.